Our next step is to add a product along with a category, and that will be relatively straightforward. In the product service, I'm going to copy the get product option input and paste it into the category service. And I'll modify everything that is a product into a category and everything that's products into categories. However, this method won't return the entire category object, it will only return the ID of the category. And that means that in the method's signature, the return type will be an integer. Then, in the product service, we need to say that the product's category ID will come from that method we just created. But first, I need to make sure that that method is accessible from other classes. So I can't make it private anymore, it needs to be internal. And back into the product service, I need to call category service dot get category option input. So the product's category ID, which is an integer, will come from calling that method, which returns an integer. And that's all we need. Let's see if we can create a new product with a category. So here we have just one category at the moment. And I'm adding another one. I'm adding juice and another one pastry. And now I'm creating a new product which will be cappuccino. And I'm choosing coffee as its category. And I can see that the category ID for this product will be 1. But notice here that when I add a new product, the console doesn't clear. So let's add some code to avoid that. In the main menu, inside the loop, we're going to add a console.clear. Now we need to show the category with the products. And for that, we can use the include method in the controller. So we're going to say products.include and using the category in the lambda expression. And we're going to do the same thing in the get product by ID method in the controller. In the show product table method, we need to add the column that will be displayed and add the category name as a parameter for the add row method. And in the show product method, we're going to add the category name to the panel. So let's test to see if it works. And we can see the category with the product. Now let's try to get all products again, now with the breakpoint on line 28. And if we click on the product object, we can see a category object. And if we click on the category object, we can see all of its information. So Entity Framework makes it very easy to visualize the relationships between tables.